That's the list. Tools that work, not just pretty lights. No more guesswork. To get your hands on any of these proven scanners, every direct link for the best deals is locked and loaded in the video description below. If this real-world test saved you from buying junk, crush that like button. It tells the algorithm this is valuable. Share this with anyone who turns their own wrenches. And subscribe, because next week, we're revealing the one tool that can prevent check engine lights. Don't miss it. Number 1. TOPDON Phoenix Nano. The Phoenix Nano ECU scan tool is a powerful diagnostic device engineered for automotive professionals and enthusiasts alike. Featuring the robust Android 10.0 operating system, it operates on a high-performance 4-core 2.0 GHz processor, ensuring efficient diagnostics with ultra-fast performance. This allows users to quickly diagnose vehicle issues, saving both time and effort in the diagnostic process. The tool is equipped with a long-lasting 6,000 mAh battery, which guarantees uninterrupted operation during lengthy diagnostic sessions. This is particularly beneficial for users who may be working on multiple vehicles throughout the day. Furthermore, with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, the Phoenix Nano provides ample space for storing data, diagnostic reports, and software updates, making it a versatile tool for various diagnostic needs. Its 8-inch touchscreen display, boasting a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels, is designed to provide a clear and crisp visual experience. Number 2. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. BlueDriver is designed to provide an accessible and comprehensive diagnostic experience for vehicle owners who want to understand their car problems like a professional mechanic. By using BlueDriver, you can easily read and clear your vehicle's trouble codes and address the check engine light prompt that often raises concern about your car's health. One of the standout features of BlueDriver is its enhanced vehicle diagnostics capability. This means that you have access to a wealth of information that is typically reserved for skilled mechanics who use specialized OBD2 scan tools. With BlueDriver, you can not only read and reset the basic engine codes, but also delve deeper into various systems within your vehicle, including troubleshooting codes related to ABS, anti-lock braking system, airbag, SRS, supplemental restraint system, and TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, among others. Number 3. OBDLink MX Plus OBD2 Bluetooth Scanner. OBDLink MX Plus is a revolutionary wireless OBD, onboard diagnostics, adapter that redefines the way car enthusiasts and professionals interact with vehicle diagnostics. This innovative device allows users to seamlessly turn their iPhone, iPad, or Android device into a sophisticated diagnostic scan tool, a trip computer, and a real-time performance monitor. The OBDLink MX Plus is not just any ordinary tool, it is designed to provide access to manufacturer-specific vehicle data, equipping users with the capability to delve deeper into their vehicle's performance and health. The OBDLink MX Plus is the latest upgrade to the OBDLink family, boasting enhancements that make it even faster, more reliable, and packed with features compared to its predecessors. One of its standout characteristics is its unique compatibility with iOS, making it a pioneering wireless scan tool in the market. It specifically supports the proprietary GMLAN, General Motors Local Area Network, and Ford MSCAN, Medium Speed Controller Area Network, vehicle networks. Number 4. ANCEL FX2000 US OBD2 Scanner. Get hassle-free car diagnostics with the ANCEL FX2000 OBD2 Scanner Diagnostics Tool, an invaluable device for vehicle owners who want to maintain their cars without relying on mechanics for every little issue. This user-friendly tool is designed for ease of use, requiring only 3 straightforward steps to connect to your vehicle for diagnostics. This means you don't have to be a car enthusiast or a seasoned mechanic to take advantage of its features. Even beginners can effectively read data and interpret fault codes without confusion or overwhelming technical jargon. One standout feature of the FX2000 is its ability to assess whether your car is ready for its annual inspection through its IM readiness menu. This capability helps you avoid potential fines and ensures you are in compliance with vehicle regulations. Number 5. Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional. The Innova 5610 bidirectional scan tool is designed to empower vehicle owners and mechanics to easily identify and resolve issues within their vehicles. This advanced OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool offers real-time solutions, enabling users to troubleshoot a wide range of problems efficiently. It provides easy access to both OBD2 and OEM live data, making it an indispensable tool for anyone committed to maintaining their vehicle's health and performance. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this car scanner diagnostic tool is perfect for you, offering reliable diagnostics and code reading capabilities that ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. Pro-level functionalities, the Innova 5610 goes beyond basic diagnostics with its enhanced data stream feature, which allows users to monitor live data for complex systems including ABS, anti-lock braking system, SRS, supplemental restraint system, transmission, and engine performance. Additionally, the tool includes a special reset function that grants access to critical dealership-level relearn procedures, making it ideal for those who require a more advanced bidirectional scan tool for professional repair work. That's the list. Tools that work, not just pretty lights. No more guesswork. To get your hands on any of these proven scanners, every direct link for the best deals is locked and loaded in the video description below. If this real-world test saved you from buying junk, crush that like button, it tells the algorithm this is valuable. Share this with anyone who turns their own wrenches. And subscribe, because next week, we're revealing the one tool that can prevent check engine lights. Don't miss it.